Alright, y'all, so we really going for it this year. We are really going for it. You see, I still got a couple summer melons in here, but check it out. Let me find one. Where's one at? Okay, right here. Boom. Got a baby melon. So we gonna try to get some fall melons this year. I'm gonna just keep letting these plants go, and these baby ones probably won't make it, but like, where's one of the bigger ones? We got some like this one right here. Should be ready in the fall. And then I got that one will be ready sometime in the fall. There's a few of them. We gonna try to get some fall melons. I don't know if we're gonna be able to or not. I don't know. I mean, it's been rough already, but like all these should be ready in the fall. Hopefully them temperatures don't drop on me. I know the melons probably won't be as sweet, but the way I see it, half sweet melons is better than no melons at all, because you can't get no melons where I'm from once the fall hits. I mean, it just goes dry. You get some seedless ones, but yeah.